Girl, calm down. We're not playing no tag. Hey, we're out here on the Kimberly Rainforest. The girls are out here trying to play tag, but definitely not on these rocks. Let me show you.
Did you took one, right?
We can do. I'll get it later because it's the
Myla. Summer, call Myla.
Everybody say
Myla.
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 Over here.
Myla. Myla.
I wipe when it gets in. It'll come off easy.
Yeah. Okay. Everyday life is like a rainforest, dense, unpredictable, and alive with both beauty and danger. Each step you take demands awareness. Some paths will carry you forward, others will lead you astray. Some moments demand fearless action, others call for patient surrender. Life's journey is not merely about surviving the untamed paths. It's about awakening the boundless power and light that dwells within your soul. Step with unwavering discernment, move with unshakable courage, and trust the unseen forces guiding you. Do this, and you just don't navigate the rainforest of life. You rise from it, radiant, transformed, and unstoppable. So embrace the journey and all that comes with it. Trust the process and see beyond the illusions. Our family trip in Puerto Rico was a reminder that true joy lives in the moments we share and the memories we carry forward.
Good job.
You want to go further? Let me pick her up. Oh, dry. I'm gonna have to run. It's too cold. I'm just gonna have to jump in, or I can't count it and rock. Oh, I thought we'll play tag. No, we should just go this area. Where's Mommy at? I'm still on the rock.
You can step on the small rocks too, it don't matter.
Okay. Be careful, okay? Take your time. Don't slip on the rock.
Layla, you can step on the small ones too. You don't have to be on the big ones.
Papa.
Which one do you want to sit on? You want to sit that one or this one?
That one. It's more dry.
More dry?
Yeah.
You sit that one? Yeah.
Hey!
That one. Sailor. Be careful.
You guys stay over here and take me. You guys stay in your area. Stay in your area. Stay in your area.
Sailor. Sailor.
Stay in your area. Stay in your area.
Don't argue. Don't argue. Okay, they don't argue. Don't argue.
It's not enough room for her to be over here. She has to stay over
Okay.
here.
Sailor. Just pay up. Sailor.
She's all right. She's just standing right there. So then we get it with what? The dirt. Papa, the dirt. My skirt.
Yep. What's up?
It was not this way. That's up, Taylor.
I don't know about that.
Look, take a picture of it. Stop, Zayla. Let us down. We're in the rainforest.
It's so cool how they did it. No, don't knock it down.
There's some water shoes out here. It's slippery, y'all. It's slippery. It's slippery. You need water shoes.
Zayla is very cringy. Alright, let's go, Zayla.
Ready to go, we began making our way out of the rainforest. Where's Zayla and Zayla?
Zayla.
As we wandered the streets, our eyes searched for anything interesting along the way. With lunchtime approaching, we were also on the lookout for spots to grab a bite to eat.
We're in Puerto Rico.
Welcome to Puerto Rico!
Look at this house. Max said as long as you don't cross the gate, you'll be fine. Oh, get in there. Get in there. Go ahead, Layla. No, you gotta be in the hole. It's an ice cream place across the street.
That it? Are there more stores up there?
This spot has things like empanadas and coconut water. We thought about trying it.
No, you want this coconut water.
Look at these dogs across the street just roaming.
It's a family affair. I ain't missing no games, road game, watch me bring it home. I lost a couple out here, it's a cold game, but I bounced back from it strong. This how you elevate it without selling out. I kept it true to me, ain't never chasing clout. Now they like, who is he? Who am I? But I never sweat them. This is destiny and I rise every time. All of the odds I defy. They say the eyes never lie. Well, look in the mind, see the prize. the show had their hands in the air with my folks in the cut, it's a family affair. I understand why they doubted this line of profession. Don't have too many succeed, but I'm gonna come back with a diamond. You bring that pressure to me.
After looking around for a while, we decided to order from Del Patio Cafe, which has a nice outdoor space. We sat down and waited for our food and enjoyed the breeze. And before you know it,
Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you.
this is their loaded fries with cheese,
Oh, yes, please. 2 more.
with barbecue sauce and ranch, and bacon, and of course some empanadas, freshly served with hot sauce.
What is it?
Hot sauce.
And of course the girls wanted to dip it in the hot sauce too. They're happy.
On the flag. It's burning.
They love this place since it has games out here.
All right.
You're on this side, right?
You make my heart speak and always dance and sing. You're captivating me. All I need is to know that I'm in your heart and never be apart. It's crazy, but it's true.
Come on. Right before we go though.
Wait, where the red ones at? Alright, thank you. Alright, let's go.
And they have other places to eat in here. I do like the setup, it's nice. Believe in the impossible, for nothing is beyond your reach. What God has written for you cannot be erased, and what He has placed in your path, no one can take away. Walk boldly on your journey, rising as high as your spirit dares to reach, and trust the fire that burns within you. Stand firm, and remember, your name carries divine purpose, and no one can silence what He has ordained.
Oh, come on, let's go. Look, where's my mind?
Well, we didn't all eat at the same place. My mom picked this spot, so I wanted to check it out. Across the street, there's some really cool graffiti, and the plants around the cafe made it feel super chill. This place is called the Degree 18 Juice Bar. After hanging out for a bit, it was time to head back to the hotel. So cute. The next morning, we ate our last free breakfast. Zayla wanted to celebrate her birthday while we're still together on vacation. So after breakfast, I will go on a hunt for a cake. We're thankful for all the free breakfast, but we're done with it. We don't want to eat none of it tomorrow. My mom's blueberry waffles look scrumptious.
Déjalo, Juan. Yes, bro. Hey.
My sister searched Yelp and came across a bakery called Sweet and Cakes. So we're here. Let me show you some of their cakes up close. Look how amazing their cakes look. And you can also get a slice. Zayla wants a chocolate cake, but I found one that's vanilla and chocolate.
Why you disappeared?
Get that on your head. More times.
How many times I need? Papa got 2. How many is that? 3?
Who got my cousin? No, because somebody didn't like my head.
And of course, we all wanted to go to the beach one last time.
Okay.
The cup is at the bottom of the stroller.
Say, look. Let me do it.
Ruby, you want me to push it?
Ruby got it.
My head.
Because you barely can even carry your hat.
Yeah, cut it out.
Yeah.
Me and Ruby crossing right here.
Yeah, Layla, get to my hand, Layla.
Right?
Oh, Puerto Rico! We love it! We love the fried food!
You'll never stand together? Like, oh, stay together. Over here, Layla.
We jumping. Rock touch.
Not the rock touch.
It's over there. I just went over there.
Oh, Summer was just running Desire was running with Summer because Desire had a rock touch and Summer was running so she don't get the rock touch.
Thank you.
Very detailed. Oh, this is over there sucking it. Oh, look, this is relax.
Sure.
You better be careful before your iPad, before your iPhone will be broken.
Guess what? You got the rock touch.
Oh, she's trying to go to sleep. Yeah, me too. I want some.
Us too.
How's those Texas crabs, yo?
It's good. Oink, oink.
Me too. I don't know. I'm right here. Growing up, I couldn't wait to be grown. I wanted to move how I wanted, live how I wanted, no rules, no limits. But life checked me real quick. I found out fast, everything that glitters ain't gold. Some doors look good until you walk through them, and then you realize the cost. If you ask me now, what would I change about my journey? I'd say nothing, not one thing. Every mistake, every hit, every betrayal, it all led me here. I had to bleed a little, lose a little, even lose myself at times, just to find the real me. And now, I know how to move. And even though I'm still learning, I move differently these days. I move wiser, stronger, and more aware of who I am. Those moments that pissed me off and tested my spirit were not wasted. They sharpened me into more than I ever imagined, into someone extraordinary, someone unshakable, someone who refuses to settle for less than what life has to offer.
Look, I made a big heart.
Well, before we knew it, it was time to get ready to go and celebrate Zayla's birthday.
Yes, that's the next thing they could do is the food. Somebody got to walk you. You got to go rent.
Come on, let's go rinse. Layla and Zayla, let's go rinse feet off. Come on.
And hands off.
Come on, rinse your legs off. That's it. We gotta go.
Can I rinse my feet off?
Yeah, rinse your feet off. Zayla, feet only. Layla and Zayla. We gotta go. Let me get y'all together. Come on, all three. All three, stand there. Come on, stand together. Nice. Together, a little bit together. Come on. All right, come on. All right.
Number 6. You're 6 years old?
Yeah.
And you were 2.
No, I'm not. She'll be she won't walk. She'll be little. She'll be like my.
Yeah, I'm trying to put the candle.
You got to bring it with the head.
The light is right here.
I forgot I got a scarf.
On the special pink. It's mine.
All right, wait a
It
minute.
looks like a knife.
I forgot I had a scarf on and all that.
Am I not?
We do it right here. Right here.
Yeah, where she can blow it easy. Okay.
No, say happy birthday.
It's really windy. Hey, windy. Right now, you have to say it in Spanish.
Feliz Navidad.
No, stop. Let's take Christmas.
Day to you.
Happy birthday to
front teeth.
Joe, you gonna cut it? Or you don't feel like it?
I'll do it.
That's deep in there.
You got his scissors? I want his scissors. Zayla better get the first slice. You better be putting that first slice in Zayla. That's yourself.
Hold on to your plate. Make it another plate. Huh? Yeah. Here's the ice cream.
Somebody supervise somebody. She'll know what she's doing. Go on the hand sanitizer.
Oh yeah, I'll get some in a minute.
Anybody?
Everybody in healthy portions because it has to go.
Next, give me the plate.
Me. I'm missing a rock.
I'll get cake next. I'll get cake.
Mom, can I get ice cream, please?
Vanilla and chocolate.
Yeah. Plus the cake slices.
Thanks, Mom.
Like I'm serving slap at a cafeteria.
Zayla, here's your piece. Here's your piece, Zayla. You gotta eat, okay?
That's a big huge piece of cake. Here, next.
Me.
Hey, I got mine. 3. Wait, what I got? I got the.
Friday, you still recording?
Yep.
Can I get a fork?
It's okay. Get the MP some man.
Oh, you don't play, huh?
Yes, I don't play. Thank you.
Got a big slice of Ruby.
Always worry about what somebody got going on.
How do we get that? Oh, God, it's melted. I guess I do pop-pops the same way. Too,
By the end of the day, Zayla found a new friend whose wings weren't working so well, so she showed him some love.
Go ahead, Layla, touch it. Yeah, it feels so. Mom, put my goggles on. Put my goggles on.
All right.
Bro, I want to prank them.
Look at Layla swimming like a fish. Look at these little fishes. Yambu summer dirty. She just got spit out her mouth and she put it in the pool. Yambu, worry about that spit in the pool.
Okay, so my you the one who didn't take a shower after that pool.
I took a shower. You want me to stop it?